Imagine creating a full music video without singing, without filming anything, and without spending hours editing. Sounds impossible? Well, in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how Sondo AI can generate a complete song and help you turn it into a music video faster than ever before. Let's get started. AI is changing content creation, and music is one of the biggest examples. With Sondo AI, anyone can create original songs in minutes, even if they've never made music before. Today I'll show you the exact process I use to create AI music videos from start to finish. First, open Sondo AI and sign in. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Create Song. Now enter a simple description of the type of song you want. For example, a motivational pop song about chasing dreams and never giving up. You can also choose the genre, mood, and vocal style. After that, click Generate. Within moments, Sondo AI will create a complete song with lyrics, vocals, and background music. Listen to the generated versions and choose the one you like best. Now it's time to create visuals. Read through your song lyrics and identify the key scenes or emotions. For each section of the song, write a simple AI video prompt. For example, if the lyrics talk about success and ambition, you could use prompts showing city skylines, people achieving goals, or cinematic sunset scenes. Generate multiple clips and download the best ones. Import your song and video clips into your favorite video editor. Place the clips in order, matching them with the lyrics and beat of the music. You can also add subtitles to make the video more engaging and easier to follow. After a few adjustments, your AI music video is ready. And that's how you can create an AI music video using Sondo AI in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.